Yeah, but you need to be on the sidewalk right now, but yeah. Get on the sidewalk, guys. Get on the sidewalk.
Them, and we've just always thought it'd be cool to try to get connected. It just seems like a really awesome opportunity to let you guys share in one of the bigger things that our school does. We're a STEM school, a science, technology, engineering, and math high school, and we take students from the city of Cleveland and the surrounding suburbs, probably a little far for you guys when you get to high school. But we're project-based, and what we're doing now is we're culminating a 12-week project that focuses around understanding systems and understanding how components of the system. In Biosphere2 right now, as you know already, I'm not the best person to give you the whole history, but you probably know that in the early 90s, Biosphere was completed with the idea being that they would run a series of 50 two-year missions where people would go into this biosphere. It's called Biosphere2 because, does anybody know what Biosphere 1 is? The Earth, right? So Biosphere 2 is this closed system that's supposed to be able to sustain life much like the Earth does in an environment that wouldn't otherwise sustain life. And you're going to get a tour of the Biosphere from some guides, and those guides are going to be able to go into a lot more detail about that. And I would encourage you to ask a lot of questions. Ask a lot of questions on the tour. Ask a lot of questions of the high school students when you get down there and you're interacting with them. What we get out of it is we get to practice our communication of what we're learning. You guys are going to get to talk to our students, and they're going to tell you why they're here, what their research is, and how it connects to systems. They're going to hopefully give you the opportunity to actually take some data samples with the different equipment that they're using. And then after that, you're going to get the full-fledged visitors tour with some supplemental high school students that have been in the Biosphere since Tuesday, walking along with you. And they've been participating in tours with the tour guides, so they can talk to you from their perspective about what's going on. A little bit about what they're doing, why it's important. Quiz them really tough, okay? This is kind of like a test for them. And then we're going to let you kind of take some samples too and actually see what they're doing. So where you're going now isn't part of the normal tour. You're going to be off the path and in one of the biomes of the biosphere. So we're going to walk this way and down to the area.
That's on Ohio State's campus. You guys ever heard about Ohio State? But anyways, we have a couple students here that are from my class, and we have a couple students from Cleveland. But both schools are from STEM schools. Does anybody know what does STEM mean? Science, technology, engineering, math. All these students, these four students, they all go to a STEM high school.
Like North Carolina.
Can you watch my thing?
Yep.
Josh, you guys are with Josh. We leave here for 1 day, 24 hours. So no matter, as we hear, when we do in our notebook, as we draw it out, how we see it here. So it goes by A1 all the way to A4, and then B to 4, like that. So after we do that, we come measure them once the 24 hours are done. Measure them without water. Once we scale them, we use them to how much weight. So how about once you let them pick it up, you want to have them take it over? Yeah, when you guys take it over. Come on, how about that? 2 volunteers. You guys can share the load. All right, so we're going to carry it over to the scales. Okay.
Table will look like this, and we'll this A1, A2, A3, A4, and all the way down. Each of these quads, and then we make 0%, 25%, 50%. I mix it up, so it's supposed to be 75%. And so we'll just let them just fill it out with the numbers. It's a long process. We'll do this. We did this each day. This is the table after the water.
How much is that? Is that on?
268.6.
Okay.
And then we put it back. And then we keep weighing. And then we write it down. And then we keep weighing. So anybody want to try?
You call out the weight.
287.6. So
Okay, you want to put it back?
Right.
All right. Tell you what, how about you? Yeah, go ahead. Step up. Grab one. All right, now, which one would that be that she grabbed?
no hands at all.
Okay, so see,
That's why it's 0%.
so you want to put down now. Of course, you
So I
got to
would
be careful.
put for my table 0%.
Why would we want to be careful that no
And
soil?
it's just a simple table. You guys use tables like this.